Boom! Look at that. It is gorgeous. I think this is one of the best slicing cakes I have ever experienced in my entire cake baking career. Y'all, pineapple coconut cake. Literally one of my favorite cakes in the entire world. If you're a fan of the pina colada, you're definitely gonna be a fan of this cake. First things first, cake layers. First, you're gonna mix up all of your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt. Give that a good little whiskeroo. And then into the bowl, put in some butter. I'm gonna give this a little twirly whirl and then gradually added my sugar and beat it on high speed or medium high until it is light and fluffy. All right. This is pretty much light and fluffy. I have my dry ingredients and I'm gonna mix up some wet ingredients. Buttermilk, oh, delicious. Heavy cream, vanilla extract. I love the smell of almond extract. Ooh, no, it's coconut. I thought it was almond. I got a real nice surprise. It smells like suntan lotion. Be a little bit sparing with this. Add my eggs into here. Dry mixture, I'm gonna alternate, so you always wanna start and end with your dry mixture. 1, 2, 1, 2, and last one. All right, looking like a cake batter, smelling like sweet summertime on the beach. Fold in coconut. The recipe says to butter and flour your pans. You could do that, or you could do my way. Highly recommend my way. Cooking spray and parchment circles. That cake is not sticking to the pan, I guarantee, because the parchment paper, it will lift right out. All right, divide this evenly between your two pans. Once you get these things smoothed out in your pans, bake them at 350 for about 25 minutes or until a toothpick, a fork, or a knife comes out clean. Let them cool in the pans for about 10 minutes on a wire rack until they are just cool enough to handle, and then you can invert them and cool them completely, which is gonna take about 30 minutes to an hour. All right. Once they've cooled in the pans for about 10 minutes and you can touch these without burning yourself, flip them over. Bing, bang, boom. Once your cake layers are completely cool, you are going to want to level your layers. And then we're going to cut it in half this way so y'all get like 2 layers, which will result in 4. Cool? Cool. Pineapple filling! Put it in. This is canned pineapple, granulated sugar, and cornstarch. That's what thickens it up, people. You're gonna bring this to a boil and keep it going over about medium-high heat until it is very thick, until your whisk kind of shows its lines in the bottom of the pot. So we'll fast forward to 10 minutes from now, and I will show you what that looks like. Once you make your filling, it's super thick. Put it in the fridge in a bowl and you're gonna chill this until it's like all the way cold. So like an hour or 2. We're gonna make frosting. Beat together cream cheese, butter, and sour cream. Do not put your powdered sugar in when your mixer is going. It is a disaster, let me tell you. And vanilla. This frosting is a little bit thinner than your traditional cream cheese frosting, so don't be alarmed. Now it is time to assemble this thing. So my ugliest layer, the one that I kind of messed up, is going on the bottom. In lieu of putting frosting in the center of the cake, I'm going to put in this nice little pineapple filling that I made. Next layer, more of the filling. Make sure it's pretty even. And then top it with, you guessed it, another layer. Now this is gonna be my final layer of pineapple filling because the top layer is gonna get frosted. Time for frosting. It is thin, so be careful. You don't wanna overdo the top. This step requires patience. So muster up all you can muster. Smooth out the edges. This is my favorite part because I'm about to make it rain on the coconut. There we go. That is like really pretty, y'all. So I got some frosting on me. It's totally fine. The great thing about coconut cakes is if you do mess up, the coconut automatically makes it look so pretty. Okay, look how pretty it is. But it's still not done. This is dried candied pineapple that I'm going to put on the top. Shall we cut into it? I think we shall. I am a professional, but this makes me nervous every time. Boom! Look at that. It is gorgeous. I think this is one of the best slicing cakes I have ever experienced in my entire cake baking career. I can't wait to eat it. It's gonna be delicious. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get some frosting too. That pineapple filling though, it took a long time. It's worth every second that it took. So if you want more awesome, amazing recipes like this pineapple coconut cake, be sure to follow and subscribe to Southern Living on our YouTube page. I will see y'all next Friday. Bye, y'all.